Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Animatrix. Today, we've got something epic lined up for you, a stunning cinematic logo reveal that will leave your clients speechless. Let's dive in and check out some samples. Cinematic logo reveals are a powerful way to make a brand unforgettable. Whether it's the opening to a movie, a product launch, or the introduction to your YouTube channel, the right logo reveal can set the tone for your entire project. You can download this template for free. Check out the link given in description. So let's break down how you can edit a stunning cinematic logo reveal template. I'll be walking you through the essential steps from concept to final render. Ready? Let's get started. And there you have it, folks, a stunning cinematic logo reveal that's ready to wow your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more design tips and tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and remember, your creativity is your greatest asset. See you in the next video.